Good morning, my children, and welcome to your English class, the class of the teacher Jacob. So today, my children, we're going to have a review of one of the most important topics of Kinder 1, the numbers. But before we enter into the numbers, let's have a quick review of yesterday's topic. Now, yesterday, if you remember correctly, we saw animals of the farm. Now, first of all, remember the farm, it's a big place in which we have several animals, okay? Recuerden que una granja es como un criadero en donde tenemos diferentes tipos de animales para poder extraer objetos de ellos. For example, we can extract milk from the cows. Podemos extraer leche para consumirla de las vacas, okay? In the case of the hens, en el caso de las gallinas, we can extract the eggs. Podemos extraer los huevos de las gallinas, okay? So it's basically to have objects of the animals. Now, in the farm, we have several types of animals, but the most common, remember, are the cow that make noises like mmm. We can also have horses. Remember the horses? We can also have donkeys. Remember the donkeys? We can also have pigs. We can also have dogs, because in certain farms we have areas that are full with water. Tenemos áreas donde puede haber pequeños lagos, and we have dogs inside the water. We have dogs, quack, quack. Or also we can find sheep. Remember the sheep that are covered with wool, las que están cubiertas de lana, that are colored white and make noises like brrr. Those are the sheep. Very good. So today, my children, we are going to start with the review of the numbers, and for this we're only going to start with the first 4 numbers. Now, remember, my children, it's very important that we remember all of the numbers have their own shape and form. Cada uno de los números que vamos a ver el día de hoy tienen su propia forma. We started with the number 1. Recuerden que empezamos con el number 1, which is like a soldier. Well stand, bien paradito, and saluting. Okay, that is number 1. Number 2, remember, has the shape and form of an animal of the sea. El número 2, recuerden que tenía forma de un animal del mar. What animal is this? It's also part of the family of animals of the farm. También era parte de los animales de la granja. The number 2 looks like a duck. Parecía un pato. The one that I have right here in color green. Okay, very good. Now, the next number after number 2, it's the number 3. Now remember, the number 3 again looks like an animal. Now this animal is very dangerous and in some occasions very, very disgusting, como asqueroso, very ugly. Snakes. The snakes are very scary, dan mucho miedo. Okay, and the number 3 looks like a snake, parece una serpiente. And I have it right here in color purple. Okay, as you can see here, the shape is almost like a snake. Very, very scary. The next number after number 3, it's the number 4. Now the number 4 doesn't look like an animal, no parece animal, but looks like an object, pero sí tiene parecido a un objeto that we have here in the classroom que tenemos en este salón, or also in your own house, o en su propia casa. The number 4 looks like a chair, but upside down. Now, teacher, what is a chair? I'm going to show you. This object that I have right here, it's a chair. It's an object that we use to sit down. Es un objeto que utilizamos para sentarnos, okay? But in this form, de esta forma, it doesn't look like number 4. No parece number 4. But what happens if we put it upside down? ¿Qué pasa si lo ponemos de cabeza? Okay, now it looks like the number 4. Okay, so number 4 is the chair, es la silla, upside down, al revés. Okay, very good. And as you can see here, we have it on color blue. Very good. Now, let's have a review of the numbers, but in this occasion, we are going to make an activity. The teacher, Jacob, is going to say, what is the number that has the color? Y ustedes me tienen que decir el número del color del que les estoy hablando, okay? Let's begin. The teacher wants your help to find the number with the color purple. ¿Cuál de estos que tenemos aquí es de color purple? Number 3, very good. The one that looks like a snake. The teacher wants your help. El teacher quiere su ayuda to find the number, para encontrar el número, to find the number with the color green. Para encontrar el número de color green. The number 2, remember the duck. Very good. The teacher wants your help. El teacher quiere su ayuda to find the number with the color black. Okay? The number 1. Very good. The teacher wants your help. Yo quiero su ayuda to find the number with the color blue. Para encontrar el número de color blue. Number 4. The chair upside down. La silla al revés. Very good. Excellent. I always knew because you are very, very intelligent. Very good. So that's it for today, my children. Remember, it's very important that you work on your printed activities of today, which are the numbers from number 1 to number 4. Remember those numbers, you have to trace them with your pencil. Recuerden que es importante el día de hoy realizar las actividades impresas que tienen en casita, y las actividades del día de hoy corresponden a los números 1, 2, 3, 4 y los tienen que remarcar. Okay, you have to trace them. If you want to trace them with colors, there is no problem. Si quieren trabajar con sus colores, no hay ningún problema. If you want to work only with your pencil, si únicamente quieren con lápiz, there is no problem also. No hay ningún problema. Very good. Also, something important, while you are tracing the numbers, mientras están remarcando sus números, it's very important that you repeat the name of them. Es muy importante que repitan su nombre para que se nos quede en la cabecita y ya no se nos olvide. Number 1, number 1, number 2, number 2, number 3. Okay? Very good. So that's it for today, my children. Take care, and we'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Goodbye.